Automate repetitive tasks with Python app. The pros, the cons. Automate repetitive tasks with Python app is perfect for anyone who wants to save time and boost productivity. Most people get this wrong by manually handling repetitive tasks, but here's the surprising truth. Python scripting can automate almost anything from file management to data entry, freeing hours of your day. A major pro of this app is its step-by-step tutorials. You learn how to write Python scripts to automate tasks like renaming hundreds of files, scraping data from websites, or sending bulk emails. For example, a simple script can rename 1,000 files in seconds, a task that would take hours manually. Another advantage is practical project-based learning. The app walks you through real-world examples, so you're not just learning theory, you're building scripts you can actually use at work or home. You won't believe how quickly you can go from zero coding experience to creating scripts that save real time. The app also covers best practices in Python automation, including error handling, scheduling scripts, and working with APIs. Integration with tools like Excel, Google Sheets, and email servers ensures you can automate a wide range of tasks efficiently. On the downside, beginners might feel overwhelmed by Python syntax at first. Some advanced automations require understanding libraries like Selenium or Pandas, but the app provides clear guidance and examples to make it manageable. In conclusion, automate repetitive tasks with Python app is an essential resource for anyone looking to streamline their workflow. By combining step-by-step tutorials, practical projects, and expert guidance, it empowers it to save time, reduce errors, and work smarter, not harder.